Alright, hey guys, so yesterday, May 20, 2026, I participated a film screening and script writing for cultural stories by the resource person Jay Rosas, the director, producer of the Budots 2019. And I have learned, it was fascinating and exhilarating at the same time. I have learned a lot that in general, documentaries are may start with a timely subject, but over the course of time, it may prove a meaning and it may influence it. It may become a part of a permanent cultural heritage. So yeah, of course, in addition to that, in everything, there's always research, research, research. And yeah, here's me. I got my certificate of completion and yeah, stuff that I like in. And here is Director Jay Rosas receiving his certificate, and it's me. Bye. Peace.